I'll sing his song from the Poale Zionist, which was leftist. It became Histadrut. It became a Jewish labor organization.
Poale Zionist.
Poale Zionist. Yeah. And would you like me to sing the song now?
Well, it's up to you. If you'd like to, we could do a song right now.
My father taught us, because we had to go to East Hartford every Sunday, of course, there was a lot of time to sing in the car. And he sang, "We are the Junior Poale Zion, fighting for our Palestine, and we will fight with all our might to preserve justice and right. We raise aloft the flag of red to check the blood that's being shed. We raise aloft the white and blue to secure a homeland for the Jew. We are the Junior Poale Zion, fighting for our Palestine," and so forth. So that Zionist picture, which you also, so there's my father in 1920, 1921 singing that song, because Poale Zionist disappears after that. In the Vilna Shul, when you see on the wall this picture of Machpelet Sarah's tomb and Abraham's tomb, the two pictures that are the two murals that are on the wall in the back of the women's section, 1921 to 1928, we figure that's the spirit. These were poor Jews whose dream, I mean, if you can explain that to kids today who are, you're in Northampton, where there's so much, they don't understand Zionism in the way we did. That dream, and of course I'm a child of the Holocaust years, so that dream, I mean, I remember 1948. I remember that year. I remember 1967. I mean, learning about the wall in Hebrew school, then forgetting, or in Sunday school, forgetting about it. 1967, suddenly, you hear again, we called it the Wailing Wall. You hear again about the wall. I remember saying to my mother, my father-in-law was a national president of ZOA, saying to my mother-in-law, "This is the Messiah, this is the Mashiach, this has come." As I look at what's happened in Israel and as I try to assess my own feelings about it, and as I know, on the one hand, I'm not there and have no right to judge Israel for what it does. On the other hand, my absolute horror, both at the way things have evolved there, at what I consider to be a state that is unfamiliar to my Zionist background in many ways, and yet my fear that it will disappear, hoist by its own petard, by its own unwillingness to be other than what it is what it is.